Sorry for the delay, though I'm back now and I'll be creating more videos. So in this video, I'm going to be saying how to use commas. I'm going to explain. And well, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more coming, so please stay tuned. So, what are commas? The comma is a punctuation mark that appears in several variants in different languages. It has the same shape as an apostrophe or single closing quotation mark in many typefaces, but it differs from them in being placed on the baseline of the text. So here I've put some examples. So we use commas in our daily life, and it's really important to use them if you want a good grade in your GCSEs or A levels. So why do we use them? Commas are probably one of the most used punctuation marks ever, and this is because of its endless use. As I'm saying this, someone is writing down text with a comma in the world. Even I write down commas in most of my videos, if you may have noticed. Maybe not in this one, though. Yes, I have for this one too. So we need commas for almost everything. So, different reasons for why we use them. To take a breath. Unless you want to keep talking and run out of breath, you need a comma, full stop, or anything. So if I said to take a breath for parentheses, use a comma to separate independent clauses, use a comma after introductory clause, no one would understand, and my voice would keep getting deeper as I would not get enough oxygen, as I need to respire, which you can see how to respiration in one of my videos, which will be coming, so please stay tuned. To take a breath, yes. For parentheses, I'm also going to be releasing another video about parentheses. So to check about more information, there will be an example in that one. So please check it out. Use a comma to separate independent clauses. After an introductory clause or phrase, between all items in a series, which I'll present in my next one. So these are some examples of it. So here, examples. So now that we know what commas are and why we use them, let's learn when we use them. So we know when to, but we need to know if it's the right time for it to be used. Because you don't use commas when you want to. It depends, because in some places, you might need a full stop instead of a comma. So this was an example though. There is something that we should always be cautious of in a list. So the example is, I like chocolate, ice cream, Brain Overload's videos, and popcorn. Whenever you are listing something with less than 3, then you shouldn't use commas. And if it does have more than 3, before the last item or example, you should put and instead of a comma. So as you can see here, I put an and instead of popcorn. So if I said chocolate, Brain Overload's videos, I put a comma between it because there's more than 3 items. There's 4. And then ice cream and Brain Overload's videos, in between that I put a comma. In the last 2 between them, even if the sentence would carry out, we would put an and. Okay guys, so with that, we are now in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye. Please stay tuned. I will be releasing more videos.